Yo, what's up? Good morning. It's Jordan, Martin Investment Group, Martin Stock Club. Here at 333 stocks I'm looking at this day. This is Monday, December 5th. And if you want to see us call these trades out and more from our 9 analysts and our live trading every single day for stocks and options, hit the Discord. It's in the description. Let's get to the charts. All right, Wells Fargo, hammer off support, right? Pretty easy. Got a hammer candle here. We got our established support. This is also demand zone if we just marked it off as such. But we have a clear bounce potential right back here, right? Right back to the supply, to the resistance. We got a high here of 48.18. So we can look at targeting about 48. And our high from Friday was 46.52. All right, so I'm gonna set an alert, 46.55. All right, give me a 5-minute close above that. We can go ahead and first hit the gap at 46.87. And then as long as we hold above that gap fill level, then we can go ahead and take it up to that 48 area, right? When I switch to the 1 hour, you can see the gap a lot more clear. And I want us to actually cover up this candle. You could scalp if we get above this. Right? If we break above this last candle in the 1 hour, about 46, you could scalp it up to 46.50. That's a possibility for the completion of filling this candle up. But the biggest trade I want to take is the swing coming from here and then going up, filling that gap, and then ultimately coming back up to 48. Let's hop on over to Apple. All right, so Apple, gap to fill as well. Okay, and we did take this trade on Apple in the group on the calls, which is beautiful. All right, but we're also looking at the gap to fill above here. And that's setting us up for the swing. So breaking Apple's high yesterday or Friday rather, 148. So we can get 148.10. Get us a close above that. Looking for Apple to fill that gap first and then move up to where we previously see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So about a quadruple top, right? At about 149. So 149 can be a target area. It's taking that $1 move from 148.10 to about 149. It's 90-cent move. And then if we can get above 149 and close, whether that be today or tomorrow, if we can close on the 5-minute, then I'll be looking at going ahead and taking the trade to fill the gap up to the 151 area. So that's the Apple trade, bullish. And then Boeing, strong move up, has some news with United Airlines. And now we're looking at, we swing over to the weekly, looking at a pretty decent swing setup here. We have the bullish breakout, right, of this double inside week here. And we're simply just going ahead and targeting the next high up about 190. So we can continue to move up, break above last week's high from about 183.50 up to 190. All right. Again, if you have anything that you want to share, put in the comments, like, comment, share, subscribe. So I know y'all are rocking with me, and then I'm going to keep putting these out and make some money, y'all.